Welcome to Pricey's Fishing Adventures. I don't know what we've got on here. We've been throwing a 6-inch round with a stinger on it. Feels like a flathead. Been here 15 minutes. This is taking drag. As you can see, water's super brown. Feels like a flathead. Just saw it then. I don't know. I'm not trusting my knot this morning. It's a tailor. That's what we don't want. Alright, for the guy that catches tailor, you know who you are. It's a decent tailor. A tailor? How big is that sucker? Yeah.
First one?
Sorry?
The first one you caught?
Yeah, I've been here 15 minutes. I got it on a stinger too.
Okay, that's on a lure. Good work. The trouble is, what do you do with tailor?
Oh, you can smoke them, you can fry them.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Gotta bleed them. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the biggest one I've caught here for years.
Well done, mate. I reckon it's probably all the movement in the water and everything.
I thought it was a flat. I was shitting myself. Anyway, we're on camera.